Morning. I am Vinod Tade, lecturer in electronics, Government Polytechnic Nasik. I am here to demonstrate the execution of assembly language program for microcontroller 8051 to find and separate even numbers from group of 10 numbers. For that, we have this program which is there written to count and separate even numbers from group of 10 numbers which are stored from 30H of internal memory, and you have to store even numbers starting from 40H onwards. So the same program we have to write into this MID software tool. So I'm already having the file to find the even number. So you can check here, it is even.asm, the same program which is discussed here, written here. Correct? So the usual procedure is you have to take a new file, you have to write the program here, then you have to save as by giving some name and with extension .asm. After that, the first thing you have to do is you have to press this build option. If there is any error, then it will show here in this bottom window. And if there is no any error, there is no any syntax error, then you can proceed further. So the second step is you have to use the second option, that is build and sim. So when you will press this button, it will open another window, emulator 8051. So maximize this window, and first task you have to do in this window is go to the mode tab and select 8051. So it will display information only regarding the 8051. The code which you have written in the MID, you can see it in this disassemble code window starting from 000H. Then the general registers you can see here. Special registers you can see here but not used in this program. This blue color background, internal RAM memory is here. You can see 128 locations. External RAM is also present here, but we are not using in this program. So what we are using? We are using the location number 30H onwards and 40H onwards to store the result. So to find the even number, the first thing you should have the 10 numbers which will work as an input number for this program. So as per the logic, as per the consideration, you have to store your 10 numbers starting from address 30H of internal memory. So this is the first address 30H and this is the first location of 30H. So you have to store 10 numbers starting from this. How? Just double click on this location. It will open a new window. In that you have to give the new value and simply you have to press OK. So it will store your first number at first memory location. Similarly, you have to select the second, you have to store the result number, then the third one. Similar fashion, you have to write hex number. Take care, your number should be a hexadecimal number. Total, you have to store 10 numbers. Few even numbers, few odd numbers you have to store. And your program will separate your even and odd numbers. Correct? So 10 numbers in this fashion you can store. Now we have to run this program step by step and we have to see the execution. So first instruction is what? Move R030H. So R0, it will act as a data pointer. So we have to initialize this. So after execution of first instruction, you will get R0 is equal to 30. Second is what? R1 is equal to 40. We have to initialize another pointer to store our even numbers. So we have to initialize R1 with the 40H by using this second instruction. So you will get R1 is equal to 40. Third is what? We have to count even numbers also. So we have to initialize one register to count the even number. So for that I'm using R2 register. So simply press this, you will get R2 is equal to 0. Third register I am using to count total numbers. I have total 10 numbers. So I have to decrement this counter after checking each number. So initially your R3 will be 0A. So R3 will be 0, which will act as a counter. Now the first task, I have to take the first number pointed by R0. That is number which is at 30H. I have to take it into the accumulator. So execute this. You will get the first number 33 into the accumulator. After that, I have to check whether it is even or odd. So how I will check? I have to check its LSB bit, whether it is 1 or 0. So how I will check? By using the rotate instruction. I have to rotate this number towards the right side through the carry. Correct? So that's why before using the carry, I have to clear the carry if there is any. So clear C. So in PSW, you will find that carry is 0. Then you will use RRC A. So you will rotate the content of accumulator to right. If LSB bit is 1, then you will get carry is equal to 1. Let's see. Yes, your LSB is 1, so your carry is 1 here. You can see this C here. This C indicates the carry. Now you have to check whether carry is equal to 1 or 0. If carry is equal to 1, means your number is odd. So we are not interested in the odd number. We have to skip few steps, few instructions if we found a odd number. So jump if carry to this label 0111. That is, if my number is odd, simply I have to go to the next number. Simply I have to skip the first number. I don't have to separate it. I don't have to count it. So now carry is there, it is visible. So it will come directly to 0110. When you will come here, the first task is complete. Increment R0. Why R0? Because it will point to the next number now. So your R0 will become 31 here. And now as first operation is complete, you have to decrement the R3 by 1. And if it is not 0, you have to jump back. So see, your R3 is 09 now, and you came back to the instruction move A at the rate R0. So now your R0 is pointing to the second number. The second number now you have to take into the accumulator. So run this. It will take second number into accumulator. Now it is 44. Clear carry, because previously there is a carry. Now see the importance of this clear carry. Previously there is a carry. Now you have to clear this carry. Now carry is 0. And again rotate the new number. Now if you rotate the new number, see there is no any carry. There is no carry, means this JC jump, it will false. The condition will get false. You will come to the next instruction. Why? As carry is 0, it means the number is even number. Original number was 44. So you will come to this instruction. As you found the first even number, increment the counter set for counting the even numbers. So you will get R2 is equal to 1 because you found the first number. As we have to separate the same even number, we have to store the same even number, do the opposite operation RLCA, because the RRC changes our original number. So again to get back the original number, RLCA. See, you will get the 44 again. Now you have to store this 44 at the rate R1. R1 means 40H. So it will store your original number. See, the even number, it comes at the 40H. Now as the second task is complete, go to the third number, increment R1. correct? Your R1 is now, sorry, yes. Okay, this increment R1 we have to do to store next number if any we found, correct? So pointer of R1 we have to increment by 1, and then we have to increment the R0 to point the second number. So 32. After this, again decrement the R3, it will become 08 now, 08. Again you will come back here. Now you will take the third number, that is AC. Again you will clear the carry. Again you will rotate. If no carry means even number. Again you will increment R2. Now R2 is 02. Get back the original number. Store the second number at second location. Again increment this R1. So it will go to 42. Then increment R0 to take the next number. So it will become now 33. Decrement R3, it will become 07. So same operation, same loop will get executed 10 times. See how. Now you will get the next number, clear, rotate, jump, increment, rotate, see. This loop will get continue. Now it is 6 and you got the third even number. So in same fashion, you have to run your program. So it will take each program, it will rotate, you have to take each number, it will rotate each number, it will check whether it is even or odd. If it is odd, it will skip. If it is even, it will separate the number. So here you can see from 40H onward, you are getting some even numbers. And how many even number you found, that count value you will get into the R2. It is 6 now. And that's it. Our counter R3 is equal to 0. So our program is over. So in R2, I got the total count 07. So out of 10, 7 numbers are even. So which 7? You can see here. 44, AC, FE, 28, DE, AA, EE. The total 7 numbers out of the 10 numbers are even. So it's separated these even numbers from group of 10 numbers. So this is how you can execute a program to find and count the even number. One more thing, now I have to convert this program to find and separate odd numbers, correct? So how you will do? Just only one instruction you have to change in this program, and that instruction is nothing but this JC. Instead of JC, now you will write JNC. For simplification, I am changing this label also. Jump if no carry to even means there is no carry, your number is even. Rest is same. You have to save, you have to build and sim. We will come back again into the same emulator, same program. Now it is JNC. Now again you have to store any 10 numbers starting from 30H. And you have to run the same program once again. This time it will separate odd number instead of even number, because I have changed the instruction from JC to JNC. Now I have these 10 numbers, correct? And same thing I have to do, run step by step. So initially R0 is equal to 30, data pointer. R1 is equal to 40, result pointer. R2 is equal to 0, odd number counter. R3 is equal to 0A, total number counter. First clear the carry. First take the first number in accumulator, then clear your carry, then rotate this number, check whether there is a carry. Now if no carry means odd, you have to skip, but if there is a carry, then you have to increment. Now our first number itself is the odd number, so we will increment this R2 because we found the first odd number. Then take the original number back because I have to store it at 40. So at 40 you will get the 33. Increment R1. This pointer you have to increment to store the next odd number. Increment R0 to point the next number. Decrement R3 as first operation is complete, and come back to this instruction. So in the similar fashion, it will find your odd numbers. So only task remaining, you have to run all the instructions step by step, and you have to check whether you are getting the odd number. Here you have to observe 33, after that 99. Then BB is your odd number. Then still there is no any number. Okay, 21 is your odd number now. 69 is your odd number. And DD is your odd number. After this, counter 0. So in R2 you can check 06 means out of 10, again we have 6 number as the odd number, and the odd number, which are those odd numbers? 33, 99, BB, 21, 69 and DD. We have separated the odd numbers from the good group of 10 numbers. So this is how you can execute a program to find, to count and to separate odd numbers from group of 10 numbers. The important instruction to do this is, remember, it is RRCA. This instruction you have to use. So this is how we can simulate the program by using this particular tool for the microcontroller 8051. Thank you.